Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Coursera login issues, enrollment and account errors step by step clearly. First, check your internet connection by opening two different websites and confirming they load normally. Close Coursera completely and reopen it, or refresh the page if you are using a browser. Make sure you are using the correct Coursera website or app, and avoid unofficial links. Verify your email address by searching your inbox for Coursera messages and confirming which email you used to sign up. Try logging in with each available method you may have used before, such as Google, Apple, Facebook, or email, and if you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and reset it using the same login method you originally selected. Check your spam or junk folder for the password reset email and wait a few minutes for delivery. If the reset email never arrives, request it again and ensure your mailbox is not full. Clear your browser cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try signing in again. Disable browser extensions like ad blockers or script blockers because they can break login pages. Open an incognito or private window and try to log in there to rule out stored session problems. If you use the mobile app, update Coursera from the App Store or Google Play to the latest version. Restart your phone or computer to clear temporary system issues that can block authentication. Check Coursera's status by searching Coursera status to see if there is an outage or maintenance. If you see account error messages, sign out from all devices and sign back in using one device only. Confirm your device date and time are set automatically because incorrect time can cause security errors. If you get too many attempts, wait 15 to 30 minutes and then try again without repeated retries. For enrollment issues, open the course page while logged in and confirm you are on the correct account. If the Enroll button is missing, switch to a different browser or the mobile app to test the interface. Check if the course requires payment or a subscription and verify your plan under Account and Subscriptions. If you paid but access is missing, look for the receipt email and compare the course name and account email. Go to Coursera settings and confirm your country and language settings are correct for your catalog. If you are joining through an organization, confirm you accepted the invitation email and used the same work or school account. For already enrolled errors, open My Learning and search the course, then click Resume instead of Enroll. If the page keeps looping back to login, allow third-party cookies for Coursera.org and try again. If you see payment-related enrollment errors, try a different payment method or contact your bank for online transaction blocks. Take screenshots of the exact error message, the URL, and the time it happened to help support diagnose faster. Contact Coursera Help Center from the support page, submit a ticket, and include your screenshots and the email on your account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.